Hey, my couponing friends, let's head into Walgreens and grab some of the cheapest deals this week while rolling our register rewards to keep that out-of-pocket cost low. These deals are valid through Saturday, August 8th. Before you shop, open your Walgreens app, clip every digital coupon, and scan the exact product to make sure it qualifies. Digital coupons can vary by account, so don't do the transaction if the coupon isn't showing for you. Transaction number 1. Grab 2 tubs of Maine Kids toothpastes, the 5.1-ounce size. They're $5.99 each, and buy one, get one 50% off. Your total will be $8.98. Use the $5 off 2 digital coupon, and you'll pay $3.98. Then you'll receive a $2 register reward. Transaction number 2. Grab 2 Colgate Total toothpastes priced at $4.50 each. Your total is $9. Use the $4 off 2 digital coupon, bringing the total down to $5. Roll the $2 register reward from your first transaction, pay $3, and receive a $4 register reward. Transaction number 3. Grab 2 Colgate Sensitive Whitening toothpastes, 6 ounces each. They're $5 a piece, so your total is $10. Use the $4.50 off 2 digital coupon. That brings you down to $5.50. Roll your $4 register reward, pay only $1.50, and get back a $5 register reward. Okay, that's 25 cents per toothpaste after the reward. Transaction number 4. Grab 3 Oral-B Scope Outlast Floss Picks, the 75-count packages, priced at $4.50 each. Your total is $13.50. Use the $5 off 3 digital coupon, then roll the $5 register reward from the Colgate deal. You'll pay $3.50 and receive another $5 register reward. Transaction number 5. Grab 2 Head & Shoulders shampoos, 12.5 ounces each. They're $7 a piece. Use the $3 off 2 digital coupon, bringing your total to $11. Roll your $5 register reward, pay $6, and receive a $4 register reward. Final transaction. Grab 2 Axe Midnight Amber body sprays, 2.9 ounces each. They're buy one, get one 50% off, making the total $14.99. Use the $7 off 2 Axe digital coupon. Roll your $4 register reward, pay $3.99, and receive a final $3 register reward. Altogether, you're getting 13 products for approximately $21.97 out of pocket before tax, and you'll still have a $3 register reward left. That makes your final net cost about $18.97. Remember, do these transactions in the store so your Catalina register rewards can print. Don't roll a register reward back into the exact same promotional offer that produced it. Also, digital manufacturer coupons and register rewards both count toward Walgreens' coupon-to-item limit, so make sure you have enough items in every transaction. Save this breakdown, clip those coupons before you leave home, and always check the screen before you pay. Happy couponing!